Good morning from Lagos. Just want to take you through a little sample of how WanderSafe works in a situation like where I am today. If we scroll in, we know that I am the little blue dot, and I am staying at the Lilygate Hotel, which we can see is just off the road, where the blue dot is centered. I'm going to annotate myself as safe because I am in my room and really don't have a lot to worry about. So I'm going to confirm that I'm safe by putting a pin in the map, and I got 5 WanderSafe awesome points. That's so cool. The next feature I want to show you is how to change your view, because this is really what makes WanderSafe different from other map solutions that are out there, including Google. So if I want to see what the crime situation looks like, I'm going to turn off the shelters, which I can just tap, and then I can say show me heat maps of crime on the map so that I can see what's around me. So in this instance, if I begin to zoom out away from my hotel, so we no longer see all the wonderful places around me that might be a shelter if I was in need, as we begin to look around. Now, the interesting thing about where I'm staying in Lekki Phase 1 is that it's reclaimed land that wasn't anything here before now, except for a bunch of new hotels. So fortunately, it doesn't have the historical crime data or rating that we would know about other parts of Lagos. So if I zoom out and again manipulate the map, I will begin to see parts of Lagos that are near me, example, just right over a bridge, and begin to see what types of crime information is available. So the ability to change the view inside WanderSafe, you go into the settings button, the little gear to the left top, and then decide what types of information we want to see. So we can add in the shelters and then go back to the map, and then we will begin to see, in addition to the crime areas, what types of amenities there are around us, from churches to a nearby police station or an embassy, the Lagos police station. The other thing I want to call attention to, if you look in this definition of where the Lagos police station is, you'll see 3 lines and 3 words: musician, handed, and zealous. This is a really exciting part of our latest update, which incorporates the technology of What3Words, which maps the entire world down to 3 square meter squares, and then assigns them in English and in any language 3 common words together, which if I asked someone to come find me using the What3Words description, would be able to locate me in a 3 meter radius. So this is a pretty exciting little feature. You know, God help it that we hope I don't go missing and need to use it. But if I did, locating me for law enforcement, for the Australian or US government, or for an ambulance would be pretty close to exactly where I was using the What3Words integration. So I'm going to go back into the app and see what's exactly around my hotel, which isn't a great deal from where we're located now, but that there are pharmacies nearby. And again, the hopeless Navy mankind, if I were looking for it specifically and asking for directions, being able to navigate it down to the What3Word definition is really something that makes finding your way pretty idiot-proof compared to longitude and latitude and getting it terribly wrong. I hope you enjoyed this little demo, which just really shows you the difference between our app as far as showing locations and detailed information about where you are. The map itself can be quite cluttered, but in being able to map crime down to a street level is really something that makes WanderSafe really exceptional for travelers and commuters who really want a bit more information about what to avoid or how to find the most optimal safe routes when they're walking or commuting wherever they are. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Please download WanderSafe. It's free, and give us your feedback on how you're finding the features we've just recently added.